Here is my Radiola RC from 1921. I've been kind of finding a few pieces to kind of round out my collection, and one of them, which I acquired recently, is that Western Electric horn speaker that you see. It's also built in 1921, so it kind of goes with that radio. It completes it. Now, I made a video, the last video I made of this radio. I didn't have it properly connected to an antenna and ground system. I've got it it's much better now, and I'm going to demonstrate it. One of the different things that I did as well is I'm using these brass-based UV tubes. Prior to my last video, I used the newer 201As, UX, I believe. But these tubes draw a lot more current on the filament, and I can't leave my breadboard AES power supply on too long because the bridge that makes the voltage for the A battery gets a little warm. So anyways, I'm going to turn this radio on, and in just a minute I'm going to change batteries in my Sony camera, but I'm going to turn it on and tune some stations using the 1921 Western Electric horn speaker. Now those 200 detector tubes, they're gas filled, and they're hard to find at least tubes that are actually good. The three that I have in the detector and the 201s that I have in this radio are all good. So we're going to switch it on.
And that he just got out of the city council meeting, so he said he can't join us till about 4:35. $700 million ticket tonight. Is it going to be yours? Are you playing, Steve?
I will. What time's your drive?
It's not very selective.
That's what I thought too. I'm usually the person that's confused. Attention homeowners, credit card debt or other high interest rate debt. We have great news for you. You can now slash your credit card or other high interest debt payments fast and easy. Yes, I said you can now slash your credit card or other high interest debt payments fast and easy with your
You can hear there's more than one station coming in.
now, and finally, slash your high interest rate. 2 tonight turning codes. Very well. About 28 minutes heading to the airport, but heading about 20 both ways between Manhattan and downtown. Work southbound to South Lakeshore Drive between Jackson and Roosevelt in the 2 right lanes, and an accident in Oakbrook at York and 22nd. We're roundabout to the 2 traffic central.
So
John Landecker, Spirit of Al Capone, is perhaps the most...
So the 1921 radio is working just fine with the 1921 Western Electric horn.
Al Capone played the banjo. Evenings at 7. Tomorrow, I-58. Mostly sunny on Friday, high approaching 60. We'll start off the weekend pretty nice on Saturday. Looks mainly sunny. High temperature up to about 63 degrees. In West Woodlawn at 51, Woodstock heading up 255. I'm actually it's 216 when searching to fix your damp crawl space. Waterproofing. Time sports sponsored by Alfa Romeo of Glenview. Here's Dave Kerner. No practice for the Bears today, but honors to kicker Cairo Santos, courtesy of his work against the Patriots Monday night. Here's WBBM's Jeff Shuey. Cairo Santos is on another tear.
So that's about it. It's a nice addition to my collection.
Foxborough Monday night, earning an NFC Special Teams Player of the Week. Yeah, it's great. It's great.